In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your downloads section in Dreaming Tree. So I'm already logged into my account, so I'm going to go up to the right hand side and you'll see it says My Account. I'm going to go ahead and click that button. And if I scroll down here, you'll see on the left, you'll have an option for downloadable products. I'm going to go ahead and click that section. And now you can see I have in alphabetical order a list of my available products, as well as the download link to the far right. To download your product, you'll just want to go ahead and click that download link. And now that has downloaded to my desktop. In addition, you also can view your prior orders. So on the left here, under my account, if I click on orders, this will list my orders by date. So for example, I placed an order on August 24th, 2021 at 12:04 p.m. If I click on details, I can also find my downloadable products by my order this way. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the mobile view. I'm going to go ahead and click the three lines in the top left. I'm going to click that person icon, that first one on the top left there. I'm going to click on the My Account, that blue bar. And finally, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Downloadable Products. And you can see that all of your downloads are listed alphabetically this way, as well as their download links.
Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section, where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.